Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Murmure ka Pulao or Upma, that is puffed rice pilaf. Puffed rice is known as Murmure in India, and is used in making of so many various cuisines. We are making very delicious pilaf using puffed rice. You may call it Murmure ka Pulao or Upma. This pilaf is very light on stomach, and easy to digest, yet very healthy meal, perfect to be served as breakfast meal or evening tea time light meal snack. You also make this easy to make delicious pilaf and serve to your dear ones. Everyone is bound to love it for sure. To make this delicious pilaf, first of all add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts into your grinding jar. Close the lid and grind coarsely. Do not grind into fine powder. Transfer coarsely ground peanuts into a bowl and keep aside for a while. Soak about 2 cups of murmure, that is puffed rice, into water for a minute. Do not soak for longer time. Drain soaked puffed rice and squeeze out excessive water. Put squeezed puffed rice in a bowl and keep it also aside. Put a pan over medium heat with about 2 tablespoons cooking oil in it. Add 1 tablespoon raw peanuts into it. Stir and fry peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. Fry until skin color of peanuts darkens a bit. Drain and keep them also aside for a while. Add little more oil into pan if required. We have added another tablespoon of cooking oil. Add 3/4 teaspoon rayi, that is mustard seeds, into oil. Also add 3/4 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into cooking oil. When mustard and cumin start to crackle, add peeled and chopped 1 medium-size onion. Stir to mix onion into hot oil. Also add 4 to 5 curry leaves into pan. Stir and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Saute while stirring occasionally until onion is lightly golden browned. Now add 2 tablespoons each of pre-boiled chopped carrots and green peas. Also add pre-boiled, peeled, and chopped 1 small-size potato. Now add fried and drained peanuts into wok. Stir to mix all and reduce heat to low. Add 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, into wok. Also season with 1/4 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, and salt to taste. Finally add 1 or to taste chopped fresh green chili. Adding green chili is absolutely optional and you may omit it. Stir to mix and season all evenly. Now add soaked and drained puffed rice into wok. Increase heat to medium-low and stir to mix well. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Add whatever is required to your taste. Squeeze 1 lemon into puffed rice pilaf. Adding lemon juice is optional and you may omit it, but it enhances the taste of this delicious pilaf. Stir to mix all evenly. Now add coarsely ground roasted peanuts and stir well to mix and disperse evenly. Finally stir in 1 or 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander. Toss to mix all well. Delicious healthy Murmure ka Pulao is ready. Transfer into serving bowl. Sprinkle with bikaneri sev, that is gram flour tiny fritters on top if like to. Adding bikaneri sev is absolutely optional. Garnish with additional cilantro or green coriander and lemon wedges. Serve delicious Murmure ka Pulao, that is puffed rice pilaf, at breakfast or evening tea time. Enjoy! We hope you have liked the recipe. Please click on the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. If you have not subscribed to our channel till now, please click on our photo on screen to do it. Thanks.